children. Today we are going to learn your first standard English poem, that is At School. At School. So whatever the things in school you can watch, whatever things you can see there. Yes, here it is. You can see in this picture. So in this school we see that principal office, right? In your school there is a principal office, staff room where all the teachers are discussing about the class, co-curricular activities, everything. So reception, okay, in the office where you pay the fees, collect the books, inquiry about school and all, receptionist. And drinking water. Auditorium means function hall, okay. Then library. So these are all including as school. Here is a lovely poem about school, okay. So before going to that poem, just we learn the new words, whatever the words comes in this poem, okay. Yes. So here new words, SCH-OOL, school, school, LATE, 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 HALF, half. You can notice here in this word there is a magical word. What is that? Yes, here it is L, silent word. Okay, we pronounce it half, not a half, right? Yes, this is a magical word. STREET, street. SOFTLY, softly, softly. QUIETLY, quietly, keep quiet, like that, quietly. SEAT, seat. BEGUN, begun, begun means start. MORNING, morning. PENCILS, pencils, pencils. CRAYONS, crayons, coloring crayons, okay, crayons. SCISSORS, scissors. Here also one magical word. Which one it is? That is yes. Yes is a silent here. This is a magical letter. Okay, scissors. Next, GLUE, glue. Glue means gum. ERASERS, erasers. Erasers. PAPER, paper. BOOKS, books. BOOKS, books. One more time I am going to repeat all the words. Repeat after me fastly. New words, school, late, half, street, softly, quietly, seat, begun, morning, pencils, crayons, scissors, glue, erasers, paper, books. Okay, move on to the poem part. Now I am going to read this poem with the tune voice. Enjoy this poem and you also follow me. Okay? Yes. So what you see in this picture? This is a school. Okay? Shall we start with the tune voice, with the rhythmic way? Yes. So, school is waiting, school is waiting, can't be late, can't be late. Hurry, 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 8:30, 8:30. Out the door and down the street, then softly, quietly take your seat. Out the door and down the street, then softly, quietly take your seat. Good morning, school has begun. Good morning, isn't it fun? School is waiting, can't be late. Hurry, hurry, 8:30. Pencils and crayons, scissors and glue. Pencils and crayons, scissors and glue. Erasers and paper, reading books too. Erasers and papers, reading books too. Good morning, school has begun. Good morning, isn't it fun? Okay, so here school is waiting for you, right? So we will explain this poem. What is in this poem? Let's read. School is waiting, can't be late. Hurry, hurry, 8:30. 8:30 ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಔಟ್ ದ ಡೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ಲಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೀಟ್. ಡೋರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟಿಂದ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ವಿತೌಟ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ನಾಯ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿಗನ್. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ? ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಶ್? ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಟೀಚರ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿಗನ್. Good morning, isn't it fun? How much fun we doing in the school, no? We dance, we play, we read, we write with friends, with teachers, with everyone, right? So time hogite gottagalla namge school alli. Then pencils and crayons, scissors and glue, erasers and paper, reading books too. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ರೈಟ್? ವಿಚ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. See, you can see here pencils, erasers, sharpener, books, bag, whatever the things are there. Okay, these all things are waiting for you. Okay, these all things are waiting for you. Pencils, crayons, okay, pencils and crayons, scissors means katri, hauda? Adinenantare scissors. And paper, reading books too. Books kuda wait ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Then good morning, school has begun. Then last, good morning, isn't it fun? Okay, here some are singular and plural words. We will find out in this poem some singular and plural words, children. So here it goes, singular and plural. It means one and many. Which are those? One and many. We can convert one word into many. So in the poem we can see that pencil. If it is one pencil, we have to convert it pencils with what we have add? Books. Yes. We have to add yes. That is books. Next, eraser. If it is a one eraser, when we going to convert it many erasers. Erasers. Then paper. Paper. Papers. Adding yes. Paper. Papers. Crayon. There is another word in that poem. Crayon. Crayons. So what the rules we follow here? We are adding only yes at the end of the word to make a many, from one to many, right? See here, you can see pencil, pencils, book, books, eraser, erasers, paper, papers, crayon, crayons. Okay, so one more time we are going to read this poem. School is waiting, school is waiting, can't be late, can't be late. Hurry, 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 hurry. 8:30, 8:30. Out the door and down the street. Then softly, quietly take your seat. Good morning, good morning. School has begun. Good morning, isn't it fun? Pencils and erasers, pencils and crayons, scissors and glue, erasers and paper, reading books too. Good morning, school has begun. Good morning, isn't it fun? I hope you enjoy this poem, children. So recite this poem and read it again and again. Okay? Thank you.
Hello children, today we are going to learn chapter number 2, Friends in the Park exercise part. Before going to that exercise part, we just revise that lesson. Here is in this lesson, two friends are here. Okay, his name is Manu and she is Amina. They are friends. They went to the park daily in the evening. They have lots of fun in the park. So here there is only 2 swings. There were only 2 swings, but children are gathered and they wait for their turn and have lots of fun for the playing the swing. Then one day a new boy Sunny came to the park. Here he is, new boy Sunny came to the park. What he did, he is very tall and strong and he pushes Manu. Manu fell down and he hurts his leg. Then he felt hurt. After that, all have decided to not play with Sunny from the next day. When the next day came, Sunny came to them, but all have rejected to take him for with them playing. That time Sunny feels very bad, and after that he realized that his mistake. Then he says sorry to Manu. At the end of the story, Manu and Amina play with Sunny and they all join in too. So move on to the exercise part now. Okay, here is the exercise part, reading part. Pick the right option to answer these questions. First one, where does Manu go to play? Where he goes? Option A, the school playground. Option B, the park. So here option B is correct. They went to the park. Second one, what do Manu and Amina do with other children? What they do with other children? They run around and play, or they read books? Yes, the option A is correct. They run around and play. Third one, what do they love the most in the park? So they love the seesaw the most, or they love the swings the most? So here option B is correct. They love the swings the most. Fourth one, why do the children not want to play with Sunny? Option A, he is too big, he is too rough. So option 4 is he is too rough. Fifth one, what does Sunny do in the end? Option A, he laughs at them, or option B, he says sorry to Manu. He says sorry to Manu. Move on to the next B part. Write yes if these sentences are true, or no if these sentences are not true. Here they have given sentences. If these sentences are true, we have to write down yes. If the sentences are wrong, we have to write down no. So let's check out what are those. First one, Manu and Amina love to play on the seesaw and the slippery slide. Manu Amina ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಸೀಸಾ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರಿ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ is it yes or no? Yes, this is yes. Second one, there were 3 swings in the park. How many swings are there in the lesson? Only 2 swings, but here they have given 3 swings. So it is no. We have to write down here no. Then third one, Sunny pushed Manu off the swing. Sunny push ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಾ ಮನುಗೆ swing ಇಂದ? Yes. He pushed Sunny from the swing. Manu hurt his leg because of Sunny. Sunny ಇಂದ ಮನುಗೆ hurt ಆಯಿತು. Yes or no? So yes. Fifth one, Sunny listened to Amina. Amina ಹೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನ Sunny ಕೇಳಿದ್ನಾ? No, he didn't listen Amina. In the next, here is a language in use. The concept is he, she, they, it. He, she, they, it ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಇದೆ. So you can read the sentence here. First one, Manu goes to the park. Manu ಪಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. He is happy there. ಅವನು ತುಂಬ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So Manu, instead of Manu, they have written he. He, why? Because he is a boy. Manu is a boy. So we have to indicate boy as a he. Like this, Amina likes to play on the seesaw. Amina ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ? ಸೀಸಾನ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. So instead of Amina, Amina is a girl. So instead of the girl, we have to write down names. Girl names, we indicate that she. We indicate that she. Like this. Third one, the children like to swing. Children ಗೆ swing ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. Children, ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೌದಾ? So instead of children, they. We use they. The park is near Manu's house. It is a big park. Park बदलागी animals ಆಗಲಿ things ಆಗಲಿ whatever it is we use it. So overall whenever we are going to use boy name we use he, girl name we use she, one or many we use they, things or animals we use it. Like this we have to solve a part, exercise part A. So what happened here? A. Circle the right options in these sentences. We have to circle the right options, whichever are the correct. So first one, Rajesh is my friend. He or she is a tall boy. So Rajesh is a boy or girl? Yes, he is a boy. We have to circle he or she. Circle here he. We have to circle he here. Right, because Rajesh is a boy. Second one, Amina stays near my house. He or she is my friend. Amina is a girl or boy? She is a girl. So we have to circle she here. Then Manu and Amina play with Sunny. Manu and Amina are two children, right? So we use they or he? They, because they are two, many. So we have to circle they. Fourth one, the little dog is my pet. It or they is friendly. I have before told you that whenever you use animal or thing we have to use it. So answer is it. He, she, it, they. Okay, in the next page, read these sentences concept of I, we and you. Here, I am Shaila. I love to sing. I am Shaila. I love to sing. Here, whenever we use I, we add am. Right? Yes. My friends and I play cricket. We are a good team. We are good team. Whenever we use we add are. We ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಅವರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ವಾಚ್ ಇಟ್. ಯು whenever we take you we have to add are. See, overall am ಇದ್ದಾಗ a I ಬರುತ್ತೆ, I ಇದ್ದಾಗ am ಬರುತ್ತೆ, we ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ವಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಬಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. Tick the right options in these sentences. First one, you are my classmate. Here is are. So which suits correctly? Yes. I are my classmate Bharata? No. You are my classmate. Here I have given example to you. Right? So like that we did. Second one, I am dancing. We am dancing Bharata, I am dancing Bharata. Whenever we use I, am should become. So here it is, I am dancing. Right? Yes. Third one, we are playing. I are playing or we are playing. Here you can see whenever we use what we add are. So we are playing. Right? Yes. Move on to the next C part. Look at the pictures on the next page. Write the names of the things. Choose from the box. Here in the box they have given some words. According to that picture we have to add which one is correct. Seesaw, swing, slide, bench, tree, merry-go-round. Let's check out in the next page. So first one picture you can see which picture it is. This is slide. S-L-I-D-E, slide. And second picture, find out children. That is bench. B-E-N-C-H, bench. Then third one, seesaw. Third one, seesaw. S-A-W, seesaw. Fourth one is tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Then fifth one, merry-go-round. Merry-go-round. And the last one is swing. And the last one is swing. Right. Here are pronunciation part. Vowel sound in beat and big. Vowel sounds in bold are long. Here they have given the bold letters which sounds with the long sounds. Let's pronounce that words. Beat, neat, repeat, meet, fleet and greet. Here are vowel sounds which are in bold are short. They pronounce in a short I letter, right? Big, pit, sip, lick, hill, kid. Right? Yes, these are the short sounds. These are the long sounds. Here you have to write down name, your friend name, school name, class, birthday and favorite food. And also you have to paste the picture of your friend. So this is a writing details about your friend. Okay children.